Hello and welcome to Quantifiers, to another interesting session on reading comprehension. आज के सेशन में जो है हम कहीं ना कहीं एक पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम की बात करेंगे या हम दो टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम जो वर्ल्ड के दो डिफरेंट कॉर्नर से हैं उसको कंपेयर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. उसमें कहीं ना कहीं देयर इज गोइंग टू बी एन एलिमेंट ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड दिस होल पैसेज विल गिव यू एन इंसाइट कि किस तरह से जो आपके पैसेज होते हैं विच आर नॉट टोटली फैक्चुअल, उसमें किस तरह से ऑथर जो है चीज़ों को चेंज कर करके आपके आगे न्यू चीज़ों को जो है प्रेजेंट करता है. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द पैसेज. नाउ लाइक लंडन्स एंटीक्वेटेड का मतलब होता है कोई चीज़ जो बहुत आउटडेटेड है, समथिंग दैट इज मे बी प्रिटी ओल्ड, राइट? So like London's antiquated black cabs and ungainly double-decker buses, America's yellow school buses have endured, while many other forms of transportation have seen dramatic changes. That is due in large part to the school buses' astonishing record on safety. So we have been told कि क्यों ये इतने साल दर साल जो है ये particular system has basically endured all the dramatic changes that have come in transportation is because of the safety. Frank said the most often asked question during 1939 conference was, will this standard improve safety? School bus color was just one of the 44 standards the conferees voted in 1939. Others included body length, ceiling height, door specifications, and aisle widths. These and other standards have evolved over the years with a constant focus on improved safety. The last significant structural changes came in 1977, according to Ron Kinney of National Association of Pupil Transportation. Interviewed for this article, he said, in 1977, the feds came out with major changes to the bus itself, to the fuel tank, to integrity, to seating requirements, to rollover protection. Those new standards also provided for wheelchair-equipped buses, other disability-related access on conventional school buses. These and other updates over years have paid off. The National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration calls the school bus the safest vehicle on road. So we have basically been told in the first paragraph as to what changes have taken place over a period of time in the yellow bus or the yellow school buses that have endured over a period of time in the American roads as one of the safest vehicles on road because they have catered for special people, they've catered for people with disability, they've also catered to the integrity, to seating requirements and to umpteen other things which may not have been catered to or catered by the other forms of transportation. The school bus transportation system is the most extensive mass transit system in United States yet. अब ये वाले words जो हैं बहुत important होते हैं जहाँ पे हम एक transition के बारे में बात करते हैं. Yet the school buses account for less than 1% of traffic fatalities each year. Students on school buses, NHTSAs, are 70 times safer than those who travel to school by car because school buses are most regulated vehicles on the road. They are designed to be safer than passenger vehicles in every state. Stop arm laws, referring to mechanical stop sign arm that swings from side to side of the bus when stopped, protect children from other motorists. Keynes says, if you look at fatalities, it is not the occupants of the school bus that are fatal injuries, it is the people that run into the school bus. So इससे हमारे को क्या पता चलता है कि जो बस है, अब इसको भी अगर मैं एक लाइन में पूरे को समझूं, so here we are talking about the fact as to how the bus is very sturdy, how it is very, very safe, and at the same time, even if somebody hits on to the bus, fatal injuries bus के अंदर जो बच्चे हैं या जो occupants हैं उनको नहीं आते, but it is the people that run into the school bus. So we can imagine how safe the school buses probably are. Just as features of the bus have evolved over the years, so has the country around it, and in some cases, the yellow school bus itself has become a powerful representation of education and access in American history. अब ये दो लाइनें जो हैं एकदम डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव को दर्शा रही हैं. व्हाट आर दीज टू लाइन्स टॉकिंग अबाउट? बोथ दीज लाइन्स आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट जस्ट एज नाउ हियर वी आर ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ अ पैरेलल बिटवीन द स्कूल बस, द येलो स्कूल बस एंड probably some part of American history. So he says, just as the features of the bus have evolved over the years, so has the country around it, and in some cases, the school yellow bus itself has become a powerful representation of education and access in American history. The cases collectively known as Brown versus Board of Education, in which Supreme Court decisions struck down separate but equal public education in America, started with a demand from black parents in Clarendon County, South Carolina, that their local school district provide a school bus for their kids. President Jimmy Carter started his political career on Sumter County, Georgia, the school board where his first principal act in 1955, 1 year after Brown, was to advocate for school buses for black school children. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? How did it impact the history of America, specifically with regards to education? क्योंकि जब एक काउंटी में साउथ कैरोलिना में ब्लैक्स ने डिमांड किया कि हमारे बच्चों के लिए भी हमारे को एक स्कूल बस चाहिए, so Jimmy Carter was the one who put this thing into practice, and he very strongly advocated that yes, there should be separate there should be school buses for black school children. In a 2019 podcast, Carter said that when the Georgia State School Board agreed to provide buses, the legislature ordained, that is officially order something, that the buses loaded with African American children had to have their front two fenders painted black. They wanted everybody to know that a bus was hauling black kids instead of white kids. 20 years later, in the 1970s, when a federal judge in Boston ordered the desegregation of the city schools, yellow buses were the vehicles of change. So basically, what are we talking about? How the yellow buses, they came about being a particular kind of a change where they were strikingly marked as black. The fenders were marked black because they wanted everybody to be aware of the fact that there are going to be black kids in this particular bus. So basically, their whole intent by doing all these things were, when they're talking about 20 years later, in the 1970s, so you're talking somewhere graduating from 55 to 70s, tentatively you are talking about 20 years. So we are talking about the fact when a federal judge in Boston ordered the desegregation of the city schools, yellow school buses were the vehicle of change. Why they were a vehicle of change? Because they were the ones who were catering not only for the white kids, but they also catered for the black kids. So see how in the first line we are trying to draw a parallel between an antiquated mode of transportation in UK, in London, and then we are talking somewhere about the yellow school buses in America and how those buses have brought about some sort of a social change, specifically with regards to education. And they have been very, very instrumental in the American history. So passage was not very difficult to understand. Let us look at the questions that follow. Why does the author compare America's yellow school buses to London's black cabs and double-decker buses? एक चीज़ का आपने ध्यान रखना है, कोई भी पैसेज जहाँ पे आपके दो स्कॉलर्स के बारे में बोला है या दो स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट के बारे में बोला है, लेट अस से दो आर्टिस्ट के बारे में बोला है, यहाँ पे आप दो मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की बात कर रहे हो, दो क्वेश्चंस जो हमेशा एपरेंटली उसमें बनते ही बनते हैं, वो उसमें से पहला क्वेश्चन आपका हमेशा बनेगा, व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन द टू, व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट ऑफ डिसिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन द टू. तो इस हिसाब से जो है आपने पैसेज को अप्रोच करना होता है, क्योंकि ये दो एपरेंट क्वेश्चंस बनते ही बनते हैं. अब यहाँ पे उनका कंपैरिजन क्यों किया गया है? Why does the author compare the yellow school buses to London's black cab and double-decker buses? पहला बोलता है, the American school bus transportation system is most extensive mass transit system in the United States, just as London's black cab and double-decker buses. अब यहाँ पे जो है हमारे को किस चीज़ के बारे में बोला है? अब अगर हम फर्स्ट पॉइंट को आप देखें, लाइक बोला है उसने, तो यानी कि वो पैरेलल ड्रॉ कर रहा है. London's antiquated black cabs and ungainly double-decker buses, America's yellow school buses have endured. तो यानी कि लंदन के जो डबल-डेकर बसेस हैं एंड जो एंटिक्वेटेड ब्लैक कार्स हैं, उन्होंने भी काफ़ी एंड्योर किया है. एंड्योर किया इन द सेंस दैट दे हैव ऑल्सो बीन परसिस्टेंटली ऑन द रोड्स एज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. तो यानी कि ये दोनों ने कहीं ना कहीं चेंजेस भी देखे हैं, एंड दे हैव बीन वन ऑफ द सेफेस्ट एंड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट and most extensive mass transit system in United States, जैसे कि लंदन का ब्लैक कैब है. This point makes sense. In spite of being antiquated, America's yellow buses, London's black cab and double-decker buses retain their old world charm. Yes, they do. even though they have seen some sort of dramatic changes, but they are still there as a part of the transportation system. America's yellow school buses and London's black cabs and double-decker buses remain largely untouched by technological advances in transport. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक वर्ड आपको एंटीक्वेटेड हो रहा है. एंटीक्वेटेड का मतलब क्या है? जो आपके आउटडेटेड है लेकिन बहुत क्वेंट है, यानी कि उनका अपना ही चार्म है बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट दे आर वेरी ओल्ड. All three remarkably have been in use for decades with little change to their legacy design. So which is going to be the correct answer? It is going to be option number 4, right? So all three remarkably have been used for decades with all right. Coming to question number 1. Why does the author compare America's yellow school buses to London's black cabs and double-decker buses? A बोलता है the American school bus transportation system is most extensive mass transit system in United States, just as London's black cab and double-decker buses. यहाँ पे हमारे तो ये तो बताया है कि ये बहुत फेमस है, ये भी बहुत फेमस है, लेकिन इसके साथ सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड का इस्तेमाल किया गया है, that they are antiquated. So they are old, right? And old in a very fashionable kind of a way. तो एंटीक्वेटेड का मतलब क्या होता है? जो चीज़ आउटडेटेड है, बहुत पुरानी है, लेकिन बहुत क्वेट है. क्वेट का मतलब है उसका डिज़ाइन बहुत आज के टाइम पे भी बहुत अट्रैक्टिव. सो ये कहेंगे इसके बारे में तो बोला ये मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव है, लेकिन इनके बारे में नहीं बोला. यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन सिर्फ और सिर्फ दो चीज़ों का किया है, दैट दे हैव बीन परसिस्टेंट एंड दे आर आउटडेटेड. In spite of being antiquated, America's yellow buses and London's black cabs and double-decker buses retain their old world charm. We have been told that they are antiquated. They have endured, they have seen a lot of dramatic changes, but we don't know whether they have retained their world charm or not, क्योंकि ये हमारे को सिर्फ charm के बारे में black cab and double-decker buses का बोला है. अमेरिका को उसने antiquated तो बोला है, लेकिन ये नहीं बोला है charming है. येलो बसेस के लिए ये बोला गया है कि वो सेफ है, राइट? सो दे आर सेफ एंड रेस्ट दीज टू आर चार्मिंग. तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. America's yellow school buses and London's black cabs and double-decker buses remain largely untouched by technological advances in transport. They are antiquated. Which ones? These two are antiquated. But technological changes जो है आपके येलो स्कूल बसेस में तो बहुत आए हैं, जहाँ पे उन्होंने आपको बोला है व्हील चेयर इक्विप्ड बसेस है, डिसेबिलिटी रिलेटेड एक्सेस है, आपके कन्वेंशनल स्कूल बसेस में भी रोल ओवर प्रोटेक्शन है. सो ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव इवॉल्व्ड, प्रॉब्ली दीज टू हैव नॉट, राइट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4. All three have remarkably been in use for decades with little change to their legacy design. Features may have improved, क्योंकि हमारे को ये बताया है लंदन के अमेरिका का जो येलो स्कूल बसेस के फीचर्स बहुत चेंज हुए हैं, लेकिन डिज़ाइन इन लोगों का कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर है. क्यों सिमिलर है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम लोगों को ये बता रखा है कि जैसे ये एंटीक्वेटेड है, उसी तरह के अमेरिका की येलो स्कूल बस भी लुक वाइज जो है दे आर प्रिटी एंटीक्वेटेड. स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस आए हैं, लेकिन जो बस का वो येलो कलर का एक चार्म है अपना कि येलो स्कूल बस है, दैट इज स्टिल देयर. So the correct answer for question number 1 is option number 4. It can be inferred from the passage that American school buses were painted yellow because. What can be inferred? Why were they painted yellow? अब ये हमारे को क्या बोला है? America's yellow school buses have endured while many other forms of transportation have seen dramatic changes. That is due in large part to the school buses' astonishing record on signal. कि जहाँ आप येलो बस देखते हो, आपको ये तो पता ही है कि ये पर्टिकुलर बस जो है सेफ होगी ही होगी, क्योंकि स्कूल बसेस को डिज़ाइन इस तरीके से किया था दैट दे वर सेफ. तो उसका येलो कलर दे डिसाइडेड टू रिटेन टिल द एंड. व्हाई? बिकॉज इवन तो दे हैव सीन अ कपल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस, बट येलो कलर उन्होंने अभी येलो ही रखा है बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं इट इज़ पैरेलल टू some amount of shade. It was prevailing industry standard. Industry standard का यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी नहीं बताया है कि येलो कलर ही रखना था. It enhanced visibility of the buses out of scope. Yellow symbolized happiness and intellect. No, we have been told everywhere that yellow buses were quite synonymous to safety as a particular thought. So the correct answer is going to be option number A. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is not true about the yellow school buses in America? Which is not true? A बोलता है the structure of the bus has remained largely the same for several decades. ये true है या नहीं है? उन्होंने बोला है which of the following is not true? It is true. We have been told कि it remained largely the same for decades. कहीं ना कहीं उसमें आप ये देखिए जो उन्होंने चेंजेस बोले हैं 1939 के बाद उसमें बोला है कि 1977 में लास्ट सिग्निफिकेंट स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस आए हैं, राइट? बट उसने मेजरली आपको क्या बोला है कि आउट ऑफ 44 स्टैंडर्ड्स जो एक उसका आपके बाकी जो स्टैंडर्ड्स थे दे रिमेन्ड प्रीटी सेम. सम ऑफ देम हैव इवॉल्व्ड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड लास्ट सिग्निफिकेंट स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस जो हैं वो 1977 में हुए हैं एंड उसमें जो है आपके काफ़ी मेजर चेंजेस हुए थे. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द येलो स्कूल बसेस इन अमेरिका? तो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द बस हैज रिमेन्ड लार्जली द सेम फॉर सेवरल डेकेड्स. Okay. Got it. All right. Coming back to question number 3. Which of the following statements is not true about the yellow school buses in America? Not true हो रहा है. Let us take this in a reverse order. The yellow American school bus for black children once had fenders painted in black. ये हमारे को information दे रखी है that they did have some sort of fenders that were black ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि इसमें white के अलावा black बच्चे भी हैं. The buses are a symbol of equal opportunity and racial integration in the American society. We have been told कि किस तरह से इसने American history की education and representation and access to education जो है उसमें काफ़ी changes लाए थे. तो yes, they are now racially integrated in the sense के इसमें आपके blacks भी हैं, इसमें white बच्चे भी हैं आपके. The buses are sturdily built and can be controlled more efficiently than other passenger buses. We have been told इसमें rollover protection है. And also इसमें हमारे को ये भी पता रखा है कि they are the most regulated vehicles on the road and they are designed in a very safe manner. The structure of the bus has remained largely the same for several decades. It has changed. Timely it has changed. You have been told कि इसका body length, ceiling height और ये सारी छोटी मोटी चीज़ें हुई हैं. And सबसे last इसका जो significant change आया है वो आया है 1977 में. And then they have been told कि किस तरह से this bus has been rated as 70 times safer than the other transports that have been there on road. So the correct answer for question number 3 is going to be option number 1. Rest all these points are stated in the passage. It is only point number 1 which is not true according to the passage. Which of the following statements support the author's claim that yellow buses were the vehicles of change? A बोलता है yellow buses were painted black in their fenders to highlight their identity as school buses. अगर आपको पता है उसके अंदर black बच्चा बैठा है, आपने उसके fenders को जो है black paint कर दिया. They wanted everybody to know that a bus was hauling black kids instead of white kids. तो अगर आप ब्लैक एंड वाइट कैटेगोरिकली लोगों को बता रहे हो आप फेंटर्स जो है इसके अब आपके ब्लैक ड्रॉप डाउन होंगे क्योंकि आपको पता है ब्लैक बच्चे जो है वो उतर रहे, तो इसका मतलब रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फिर भी चल रही है. तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता. People around the country demanded different buses for black children. No, they just wanted school buses for black children. They never said we want a different bus. Companies have started making safer school buses for black children. This is out of scope. Yellow school buses common to kids of all colors prompted an education system common to all क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे को बताया है just as the features of the bus have evolved over the years so has the country around it and in some cases the yellow school bus itself became a powerful representation of education and access. and इसका example आपको क्या दे रखा है जब जिमी कार्टर ने सबसे पहले advocate किया that there should be school buses for black children as well. So the correct answer for this question is going to be option number 4. So this passage was very easy to understand. As always, you are always supposed to figure out कि उसका जो chronology है, जो design of the passage है वो क्या है. अब हमें पता है topic क्या है. We are talking about the yellow buses. क्यों लिखा गया है? That has been discussed probably because of the structural changes or also because of the fact कि किस तरह से it was a representation of a strong change in the society that came, whereby there was an equal opportunity for an access to education for the blacks as well as the white kids. So I'll see you in another session with yet another interesting passage. Thank you.